Introducing Wakol MS 552, the one-component, modified silane adhesive engineered for versatility and durability in both indoor and outdoor applications. MS 552 is designed for the installation of a wide range of flooring types, including homogeneous and heterogeneous PVC flooring, luxury vinyl tiles and planks, rubber flooring, linoleum, cork flooring with PVC backing, as well as outdoor floorings and artificial grass. Whether you're working with absorbent or non-absorbent substrates, indoors or outdoors, MS 552 provides the flexibility and performance you need. Use the appropriate Wakol trowel for the type of installation you're doing. Specially formulated to withstand heavy loads, MS 552 is suitable for use with chair casters and is approved for radiant heated floors. It's also ideal for vertical applications, making it a versatile solution for a variety of installation needs. This zero VOC adhesive can be used directly over Wakol PU280 or MS330 moisture barriers, ensuring compatibility and enhancing the longevity of your flooring installation. Built for strength and versatility, MS 552 ensures your flooring installations are durable and reliable, no matter the environment. Wakol MS 552, unmatched versatility, exceptional performance.